Hello to all my friends out there. So this is enjoying life while prepping. So okay, I want to enjoy life every single day. I have some vanilla chai tea and I have some hazelnut coffee creamer. So I want to enjoy life every day, because if I enjoy life today and tomorrow, then I have 2 days I enjoy life. If I enjoy life today, tomorrow, the next day, I have 3 days. So what if I only enjoy life once? What if I didn't enjoy life at all? Sometimes life is not enjoyable. When my husband was very deathly ill, and so were his roommates, you know, we tried to enjoy life. We were watching Seinfeld, Big Bang Theory, and eventually, you know, at times, there was a theory, and it was called Islands of Sanity. And the theory was, no matter how insane the person was, there was small islands of sanity, and you would build on those. Well, same thing with enjoying life. This is my blueberry. Thank you very much for this. I made a yellow cake. Okay, so you guys know, I might eat this whole cake. But when I do it, this is a half cake. When I do it, I eat it a little piece at a time because it's more enjoyable. Half a yellow cake. I added 3/4 cup frozen blueberries from Dollar Tree. I want to enjoy life. But so the concept of enjoying life every day, in 3 days you have 3 enjoyable lives, and in 4 days and 365 days, as opposed to the person who has no days, right? Same thing with the prepping. Okay, so what happened is suddenly these plants back here are the cucumbers. Now suddenly my zucchini has erupted. So I want to pot them up. Okay, so I have a little, I saved this thing, and I bought these today, and I have some various seeds. I have to cease planting for a while because my plants are taking over. There's also bell peppers in there, and I have some fertilizer sticks, and these are the old cups. And then here is my digging utensil. So what I want to do is I want to work, you know, my prepping needs a bit of attention. These are all tomato plants. Oh, and this is my squash plant. The squash, so far only one has come up, unless that's a stray seed. That's possible too. So okay, this time, before I try, these are fertilizer sticks. Wow, these things are awful. They're hard to, well, let me see. During the nighttime, I was dreaming my plants were photosynthesizing in the middle of the night. And so then I got up. Man, these things are like granite. These are worse than the other ones. Anyway, I need at least four or 5 pieces of fertilizer for my little plants. So, you know, I want to enjoy life while I'm doing my prepping. So, let's see, I have 20 cucumbers, and now this will be 2, 4, possibly 5 zucchini plants. If you guys have been following me, you saw at Walmart one plant, for one lousy plant, is $3.58. And you know, if you do your own, I mean, I bought all these seeds for $1. Let's see, I will count my tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 15 tomato plants. I never knew tomato plants were so tiny when they sprouted. Okay, I think that'll do the trick. And then I knew I was going to need more cups. So I assume as I go along doing this, it's going to become easier and easier. And also, I won't throw my little cups out, because I'll just replant in these. So I need a little hole. Let's see if these, I don't think these are going to be as bad as those other, but nope, these are much better to try and get the hole in. And so I bought the soil at 99 cents only. So now what I'm creating is I'm creating a little garden center in my house. Sort of. I will try to find a good deal on plant food. I'm just using these fertilizer sticks for now. All right, let's see. Now I have to be careful because I was surprised because my other plants had, yeah, these too. Look at the roots. Wow. I think I should have maybe had a bit larger. You know, I used to raise animals. I used to have a lot of birds, and one thing I learned is when you have something young, whether it's a plant or an animal, you don't want to handle it. You want to handle it, and then after you replant something, you want to water it good. So, okay, that's my enjoying life while prepping.